In the small town of Willowbrook, a tight-knit circle of friends, Sam, Lily, Jack, and Mia, experienced each season together, making new adventures with each passing month. Spring arrived like a gentle whisper, coaxing flowers to bloom in Mrs. Peterson's yard, where the kids often played. They soaked in the sun, chased fluttering butterflies, and helped plant vibrant tulips and cheery daffodils. Lily crafted crowns from fresh flowers while Sam tried to outdo Jack at climbing trees faster than his shadow could follow. When summer unfurled its warm embrace, days stretched longer, and laughter filled the air near the creek behind the old MI. The kids splashed into the cool water, built grand sandcastles, and celebrated with picnics under the shade of large oak trees. Mia, always with a story to tell, enthralled her friends with tales of pirates and mermaids while they devoured watermelon slices, juice dribbling down their chins. As autumn's crisp breeze rolled in, Willowbrook was set ablaze with the fiery colors of the falling leaves. The friends spent afternoons jumping into piles of leaves and evenings sipping hot apple cider after victorious soccer games. Jack led the troop in Halloween mischief, planning their routes for maximum candy hauls, disguised as superheroes and fairy princesses. Winter draped the town in a sparkling white blanket. The lake froze solid and beckoned for skates. Breath visible in the chilly air, they glided gracefully, each fall met with giggles and snowy hugs. The highlight was building a formidable snowman, whom they fittingly named Mr. Frosty, complete with a carrot nose and Mia's scarf. In the whirl of seasons, Sam, Lily, Jack, and Mia discovered that though the world around them changed, their friendship was a constant, blossoming anew with every leaf, snowflake, and sunbeam. In Willowbrook, every season was a chapter of joy, every weather a new adventure to embrace.